Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce the Porsche 911 GT3, a highly accomplished and renowned member of our automotive community. Born in 1999, the Porsche 911 GT3 was conceived at the Porsche factory in Stuttgart, Germany. Its parents, the Porsche 911 and the Porsche Motorsport division, instilled in it a passion for speed, agility, and innovation. The GT3's education involved rigorous testing and refinement on the track, where it honed its skills and developed its unique character. Throughout its illustrious career, the Porsche 911 GT3 has achieved numerous accolades and milestones. The GT3 has enjoyed tremendous success in various racing series, including the FIA GT Championship, the American Le Mans Series, and the Porsche Supercup. It has consistently pushed the boundaries of performance, setting lap records at iconic tracks like the Nürburgring and Spa-Francorchamps. The GT3 has received widespread critical acclaim, earning awards like Car of the Year and Best Handling Car from reputable automotive publications. The Porsche 911 GT3 is known for its exceptional qualities, including unwavering passion, uncompromising excellence, and unbridled enthusiasm. It is driven by an unrelenting passion for speed and performance. It strives for perfection in every aspect, from its design and engineering to its driving dynamics and overall ownership experience. The GT3 has an infectious energy, inspiring drivers and enthusiasts alike with its sheer excitement and joy. Today, the Porsche 911 GT3 continues to evolve and push the boundaries of performance. As a valued member of our community, it remains committed to delivering exceptional driving experiences and embodying the spirit of Porsche. Please join me in welcoming the Porsche 911 GT3 to our team.